Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Sew for Hobby. You may call me Lisa. I'll be your host today. And this is a tutorial on how to make a Jamaican bracelet. The colors you'll need is pony beads for black, green, yellow. You can use the real thing, gemstones or natural stone, whatever floats your boat. But to fit my powerful string and to make the bracelet to be a cheaper cost to sell $5, $2, or even $1, what you'll need is this powerful black cord string. I got mine off of Amazon. Of course, you need your old-fashioned scissors. Whatever you use is fine. What you want to do is cut enough to tie your knots in, and you want to cut your string, and to make sure that you'll fit the bracelet. This is what we're making today. The colors in order would be as follow: black, green, yellow. You don't have to do it in that order. You can do it in any order you want, but this is the pattern that I found on Pinterest, and then this is the one that I'm sticking by. It looks really beautiful. This is for men. I also made one for women. These are coming next year to my eBay store page, so stay tuned for that announcement. It'll come in January. And right now I'm just in the process of making it. I have to at least have 12 of them because eBay requires you to have a little bit of quantity in order to sell. If you sell out, that's fine. You can sell these at your craft fair or at your marketplaces, or if you want to sell online, you can. So yeah, that's about it. So this is this bracelet. So if you want to stick to the end to learn how to make this bracelet, then just do what I do and you'll do it. So for the pattern, you want 3 black, 3 green, 3 yellow. Start with your black. You remember that hole? Stick it through the hole. Might be a little bit harder to see on camera. Hold on. All right. Here's 1. 2. 3. Take your green. 1. 2. 3. Take your yellow and then repeat. That's the pattern. 1, 2. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. And thank you so much for subscribing. Please tell your family and friends and to help me grow my channel. That'd be really cool if we could get to our first 100 subscribers. And welcome if you're new, returning. Thank you so much for following me. And sometimes I don't have any good ideas, but today I'll be sharing with you one of my secret bracelets. And hopefully you enjoy this tutorial. Let's see if we can get one made without making any mistakes. Remember that hole right there? Stick it through that string. And there you have it. Making jewelry is pretty easy once you get the hang of it. And you can make it out of a career or something. You can become a bracelet maker, or a necklace maker, or an earring maker, or an anklet. You can make anklets, chokers. What you want to do is have 4. When you have 4, we can tie the knot. That's 2 right now. So we need 2 more. I have no people copying my work and making it their own. As long as they do the work and buy the materials, then they can do it themselves. Or if you want to help support me when it goes on sale on eBay, you can go to eBay and buy it from there. That would help me out tremendously. I know things are rough for some people, and I hope things will slowly get back to normal. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe if you're new. Check out my other links. I also have Pinterest and Instagram if you want to check me out there. I have this YouTube channel. I started back in February 2012 because I didn't know what else to do, and I wanted to learn to see what I'm good at, and this was the result. Let's check. We want to have 4. Let's see if we did a good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To tie it, pinch it like this. Make an X. First of all, scoot it down so you have enough room to tie the knot. Make an X. Go under like this. Make another X. Pull. Make another X. Pull. Make another X. That's 4. One more to make 5. And pull. Go up. Go down. Pull tight. Take your scissors. Cut close to the knot, but not on the knot. You don't want to destroy your work. And if you want to hide the knot, take it. See that hole? Take the string. I don't know if we want to go through. Let's see. Put it through the hole. And tug it through. Hide the knot inside the bead to get rid of the knot so people don't accidentally cut the knot, and you'll still have a beautiful bracelet. Or you can restring it to see who can make it or not. There you have it. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I need to make 4 more. I always make a sample to know, to make another copy if I want to sell it next time. Hide the knot like that. And there you have it. There's this one. Remember, the pattern goes as follows. Black, green, yellow, black, green, yellow. You want to do it 4 times. Put 4 black, 4 green, 4 yellow. And all you need is a string. You need your scissors. You need a pony bead. These are called pony beads. Some people call it candy beads, but they're not really candy beads because they're called pony beads. And these are black, green, lime green, and bright yellow. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give me a good thumbs up. And if you want to leave me a comment, you can leave me a private message on YouTube. Just email me, and I'll see if I can get back to you guys. Serious inquiries only. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome if you are new here. Thank you so much for following me if you're, subscribed already. And thank you so much for following me this far. Please tell your family and friends about me. And we play music and we do jewelry making on this channel. So stay tuned for other videos. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you so much for watching.